I'm going to work on this, a Swan Astro 102. And the newer versions are Cubic 102, 103s. I work on these. This one's really torn up. The PA has been removed, and I'm finding problems in this one board where transmit to receive functions go. A big problem in these radios, but kind of easy to fix. Alright, anyway, these radios are really good. Single sideband and CW mode. Excellent receivers for an old radio. Good old solid state stuff.
I had a guy, there wasn't no Thailand rounds available, and I sprayed a little can of ether into the thing.
After messing around with it, got the receiver to work at least. Alright, we got the problems figured out. The distribution board back there, and here's the RF PA. We got the PA biasing switching circuit working. So we got it set up down here. And we're keeping it low since it's not put all together, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test, test, test in single sideband mode. Alright there. So it looks like this thing's gonna come back to life. Hello.